Hey guys, I wanted to do a video today for y'all just showing the size comparisons between three very popular packing pouch sets. I have here the JuJuBe B set, the Lily Jade Packing Cases, and the 12little Trio. And these are three, probably the most popular ones that people look at and kind of wonder about size differences and what can fit in what. Now, I have to say that at the moment I'm using the 12little pouch for my needs, but I do really like all three of these for different situations. So what I'm going to do today is just show you kind of size differences between the different ones in the sets, and so you can kind of get an idea. I won't go into the packing side of it. If that's something you'd like me to do, just put a comment below and I'll see about doing that. But honestly, I never fill up all of these pouches. I just don't carry that much stuff. But I will kind of give you my opinions about what would they be good for and what I have used them for in the past. We'll start with the largest ones of each one. Now, just really quick, I just wanted to go over what they come with. So the JuJuBe B set comes with 3 pouches. It also comes with a long strap and a short strap. So this is very good if you're going to use these as a little handbag, and this is great just for like a clutch, or if you wanted to even put it on a wallet or all sorts of things. So that's what comes in the JuJuBe. The Lily Jade comes with the 3 pouches and a detachable wrist strap, which is kind of nice. It does come with gold hardware as well, and on each one of these it has a little tassel that's attached, which is nice. The 12little comes with the 3 pouches as well, and the nice unique thing about this brand is that this middle one is actually a thermos pouch, so it keeps your things nice and cold, and it's very nice, very nicely made. So you've got a clear plastic, a thermos, and then a larger, softer material, and also comes with a wristlets removable strap as well with silver hardware. So we'll go over the largest pouches first. I kind of feel like they're really not comparable at all as far as size goes. It's very obvious that the Lily Jade is much larger than the 12little, and then the JuJuBe is obviously the smallest. I feel like this is more comparable in size, the 12little, to a JuJuBe Be Quick. And also, I also have a Logan and Lenora clutch here as well. This is the wristlet clutch. This is basically the same size as the Lily Jade large pouch. This is a great one as well. I'll have to do a separate video on that one, but just going back to these 3 specifically, that is how the size difference there. Now this one, the 12little, I've actually got packed up as my nappy clutch, and I don't take this one as my nappy clutch. So just real quick, what I normally do take in the Lily Jade pouches for my nappies is the medium piece, and that is much more comparable in size to the large 12little. So that kind of gives you an idea on those two. Now as far as the medium, of course, with the JuJuBe, very, very different. This kind of reminds me of a pencil case kind of situation. These are great for snacks and change of clothes if you can roll them up small enough to put in there. So those are the 3 middle ones together. So here is the 12little middle pouch, and here is the Lily Jade, and here is the JuJuBe. So you can kind of see that the Lily Jade medium is larger than the 12little, and the JuJuBe, of course, is the smallest. I think the JuJuBe is the smallest in general for all of them, honestly. Now this is the smallest Lily Jade, the smallest 12little. This is great if you're going to put med kit things in there. And then of course you've got the tiny little JuJuBe small set piece. Now these are great for wallets, for med kits, for keeping toys in, essential oils, lipstick and lip glosses and makeups and all sorts of things. The small set pieces for the JuJuBe. These are great for similar things as well. I've seen a lot of people use this as a medical kit pouch because you can see everything that's in there. I haven't actually used this one yet for anything, but you know, that's pretty cool. The small one is great as well in the Lily Jade because it is clear. I've actually used this mainly for spare clothes. It really, really fits that well. So when Claris does the potty train, I'm thinking this is going to be the one that I'm going to take her spare clothes in because it is thin. It does fit into bags very well. So I hope that didn't confuse you guys, but I wanted to kind of give y'all an overview of these three pouch sets because they are, as I said, the most popular ones that people look at. And I think out of the three of them, the one I probably like the best at the moment, well, I don't know, like I'm really liking this one for my nappy stuff, and the material and everything is really nice. Quality wise, the zippers on the Lily Jade are really nice, and you've got the gold hardware on the nameplate, which is awesome. Quality on this is lovely. JuJuBe has nice quality too, but sometimes I feel like their zippers and stuff are just not, especially on the medium set piece on a lot of the Toki prints, it tends to get stuck and stuff, but they do make some very, very cool prints. So that's what gets people with the sets in the JuJuBe, because of all the different prints that are out there. So you guys, if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and I will see about doing a packing video if that's what you guys want. Just let me know and I'll get on to that. So if you guys have a great afternoon, and thanks for watching.